Hello friends, this is Rich over at the Gospel Rescue Mission. We're doing these videos to help you build a solid foundation so that you can not only weather the storms, but you can have yourself in a position where you are ready to make an impact on the world, take advantage of opportunities as they present themselves. So today our video is going to focus in on those core things we're doing every single day. So in your journal, if you've been watching these previous videos, you'll remember this. You've been writing down every day: eat, move, sleep, breathe, and love. Eat, move, sleep, breathe, and love. These are just little things you're going to do every day in order to grow. In the last video, we talked about eating, some new ideas you might have. You could do a Google search and find a whole lot more than we talk about there. We're only taking 2-minute videos here, so really go on, do some research, add some things, make it better. But just little things. Don't worry about changing everything you do in one point. That's not going to help. Today, we're going to talk about move. And movement just means getting out and doing something. Some experts are calling sitting the new smoking. That's how bad it can be for you. I think it's a little bit of an exaggeration, but it's not too far off. So we got to deliberately get up and move on a regular basis. So the recommendations I have are a couple things. First, get a watch, or you start counting your steps, figure out how to do that, but you should get in 10,000 or more steps every single day. Just get out there and get moving. The easier thing to do every single day is every hour, get up and move. About a couple hundred steps, just get up, get outside if possible. That sunlight's going to be creating vitamin D in you. It's going to really build you up and make you healthy so you can endure illnesses and some of those other things. So that's been your tip for today. I look forward to visiting with you next time. In the meantime, let's build a solid foundation. And if you need personalized help, please send me a message and we'll contact you and I'll give you some personal coaching, encourage you, inspire you, and we're going to help change the world together.